Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over this news article, and you'll hear my personal commentary and opinion throughout the video. However, nothing in this video should be interpreted as a promise, promotion, recommendation, suggestion, or guarantee of any kind. This is strictly for discussion and educational purposes only. With that said, let's talk about what's happening with Zcash, because it's actually starting to look pretty strong. According to the article, Zcash jumped 13% as the RSI moved above 50, signaling bullish momentum. At the same time, rising money flow suggests easing outflows, which hints at improving holder confidence. If Zcash is able to clear the $442 resistance level, it could open the door to a technically achievable move toward the $500 target. And that's exactly what Zcash is attempting to do right now. Price is sitting at the upper boundary of this triangle and running directly into resistance from both the descending trend line and the moving averages. So yes, there are some headwinds here, but importantly, Zcash is pushing into this resistance with strength. Now, when we look at the broader market, it's not showing the same level of momentum. Bitcoin is sitting around $89,000. Ethereum is near $330, and Solana is around $126. While they're all green on the day, those gains are relatively modest. I'll be the first to say that I don't expect much movement this week or next week. This is typically a very slow period of the year. With Christmas and New Year's approaching, we usually see lower volume and fewer active traders during the holiday season. That doesn't mean 2026 will be a bad year at all. We see this type of slowdown every year, and we could still get a small Santa Claus rally. However, unless we see a major catalyst or a sudden spike in demand, I expect trading to remain fairly subdued through the end of the year. That said, with reduced selling pressure due to lower volume, even a small amount of buying could result in an exaggerated price move. So if we do see positive news or renewed demand, things could move very quickly, not just for Zcash, but for the broader crypto market as well. What's encouraging here is that holder confidence appears to be improving. That's important because the overall market is still very fearful. Before we see major gains across crypto, we need sentiment to shift from fear toward greed. Zcash may be one of the coins leading that shift and could act as an early indicator of confidence returning to the market. Now, I do personally own Zcash, and I'm excited about its potential. But once again, this is not a recommendation for you to buy. If you are interested in privacy coins, you can hold them directly on-chain using self-custody wallets. Wallets like Best Wallet are very easy to use and give you full control. Your keys, your crypto, your custody. Also, don't forget the importance of diversification, especially in a volatile and fearful market. Utility-focused projects can also be worth researching. For example, Bitcoin Hyper is building a Layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. As we all know, Bitcoin can be slow and expensive at times. I've personally experienced transactions taking over 50 minutes to confirm, which is a long time. Bitcoin Hyper aims to solve this by allowing users to bridge Bitcoin to their Layer 2, transact with near-instant finality, and use zero-knowledge proofs to send validation back to the Bitcoin blockchain. When you're ready to withdraw, you simply initiate the request, and your Bitcoin is sent back to your main Bitcoin wallet. They've already raised close to $30 million and have seen strong recent interest. As always, do your own research. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.